Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to resolve we cannot set up mobile hotspot on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you need to click on start menu, then type here troubleshoot setting. Click on troubleshoot setting. In this you can see here other troubleshooter. Click on other troubleshooters. Guys, after that you can see here network adapter. Just click on run. Just select any one of the adapter and click on next and wait to complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window and under other troubleshooters you can see here internet connection. Just click on run and again wait to complete this process. Select troubleshoot my internet connection problem and wait, it will diagnose the internet connection problem. After completion of this process, close this window and close this window. If still you are facing the issue, then you need to click on start menu, then click on settings. You need to scroll down a little bit and see here network and internet. Click on that. Again you need to scroll down. In this you can see here advanced network setting. Just click on that. In this under more setting you will find network reset. Just click on network reset and click on reset now. Before clicking reset now, you have to make sure that you have closed all your internet sign in or any Gmail ID or any something. If you are working online, that you have to make sure that you have closed all the browsers. After closing all your work, just click on reset now and click on yes. After clicking yes, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can resolve we cannot set up mobile hotspot on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.